This is going to be try number 2 on the elevator number 1 here at the JCPenney store at the Westfield Garden State Plaza in Paramus, New Jersey. Schindler. And it looks like we have some company. Great.
You heard it? You heard it? She was there.
Hydraulic smell.
She rides his motorcycle. Just come here, come back. Thanks.
Yep, you're welcome. Which floor you guys need?
I guess just upstairs.
2?
Yeah. If
You can fit one more.
Room, tag me.
3? 2? 2? Second or third floor?
Second.
Alright. Good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Come on.
You're welcome. Go ahead. It's usually a cat view. Now that I finally have this thing to myself. Oh, they're imitating sunrise. This is exactly what Westfield sunrise looked like when it was closing, except the cow's a little bit different. Don't worry, guys. We're gonna try and get a round trip non-stop. It takes forever to level. Who needs a second floor? Second. Thank you. One more?
You go.
Let's see if we can get the phone.
Yes or no?
The phone's jammed too.
Sit down.
This is out of place. Good. Listen, this really sucks. That thing sounds awful. I'm gonna try one more time for you guys. One more time, and then I'm throwing the towel in after this. 3 tries now. 3 tries now with this thing to get this along. This really sucks too. I'm not trying to come back here in a week, but I may not have a choice. Also, this has been falling apart for about a year now. JCPenney didn't care about it, and they don't care about it now. If one of the 2 elevators in this store were to get ripped out, I think this is going to most likely be the one that's going to get replaced, or ripped out at least. So everything is from 70 to 90% off here. This thing is ridiculous. I mean, people just don't know about the second one. It's kind of sad too, actually. It gives you guys footage. Sorry.
The one.
This is
Okay, thank you.
Sorry. 3. I want to try and get this along. And that is the 3rd floor out there. 2,500 pound capacity. We finally got this thing to ourselves. How exciting. Store closing, for sale fixtures, furniture and equipment, and the entire store is on sale. Yes, 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 we finally got this thing alone. It took me 3 tries, but we finally got it alone. If we can pull it off a second time, I will be the happiest guy on earth right now. Yes, 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 yes. Close, 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 close. Come on. God darn Schindler, the door closed doesn't work. Bell. Only one that the bell works on. That fire alarm is crooked. So yeah, guys, these are going out. Unfortunately, these are going out, so these will be missed. I'm pushing my luck for a third ride. I mean, if there's someone here, obviously I'll let them do that. Pushing my luck too much. Good. Thank you. You're welcome. I think it smells like McDonald's down here.
Look, I found more white teas.
There it goes, and
Do you want this?
that's it.